Oh my god, I have so many burps. Ooh. How many burps do I have? Okay, that's all I can do. Oh, I have no more burps in me yet. I mean, I have no more burps anymore. But that was for you, second subscriber, who wants me to burp a lot. Like, bye. I might see you in another burp video. Leave, leave a like, and subscribe. Bye.